you will be focusing on developing students' understanding of multiplication and division situations and developing their fundamental understanding of economics. Before
Reflection time. In Google Classroom, please view the responses from last swag by clicking on the Responses link. Which were your favorites? Which ones could really help? Please push pause and add your thoughts in the class comments section below. Now it's time to reflect on what went well for you over the last 6 weeks. Click on the What Went Well link in Google Classroom and add your thoughts.
Hello, Irving ISD math teachers. It's Tasha Hofert, your elementary math coordinator. First, I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to participate in our virtual swag session. Let's talk a bit about the concrete pictorial abstract progression. Concepts need to be introduced through hands-on experiences with manipulatives. This is very important as you plan your daily math block. As you are choosing learning activities for any part of your math block, choose concrete task first. Then, when your students are ready, move them on to the pictorial phase. It's important for our students to know that a pictorial model helps us to make a mental image of the concrete that we've been using. With this progression, students should have enough context to understand an abstract task. So if your students are struggling with an abstract task, that tells you that you need to take them back through the progress. Thank you. Here's how that might look in your grade.
the big ideas for Unit 10. Students need to be provided opportunities to describe, model, and create both multiplication and division situations. At this stage, students are not expected to record multiplication and division number sentences. Big ideas for Unit 11. The big ideas of this unit include the relationship between saving and spending, producers and consumers, and responsible and irresponsible spending. The first task we're going to discuss is pennies in a bag. This problem is located in the problem-solving section of the learning plan. The problem asks students to utilize both the money counting skills and newly acquired ability to utilize repeated addition to solve. You will find in Unit 11, as you look at the learning plan, that we did not specify TEKS for spiraling, as at this time class needs vary greatly from campus to campus. We did include a Texas Performance Standard project that is multidisciplinary in the spiral review section. In the lesson section, you will find resources for teaching personal financial literacy concepts. Some of these resources are mini projects that would address all components of the personal financial literacy standards. Piggy Bank Primer Project helps students to differentiate between needs and wants. It will assist students in determining costs and benefits of simple economics and culminates in students creating a personal savings plan. Fiscal Responsibility is a multidisciplinary project that provides an opportunity to develop school and community relations by suggesting interactions with banking and local businesses.
The next task we will discuss is Name My Fractional Parts. This task is located in the small group section of the learning plan. For this task, students will utilize pattern blocks and determine fractional values given different value scenarios. So in this situation, the whole would be all 3 hexagons where they have to identify the fractional component of 1 hexagon or 2 hexagons as compared to the whole. The situation can be changed by altering the type of pattern block used. So if we change to the trapezoid, thus the fractional relationships would change. You can also change the task by changing the value of the whole. So rather than this being a whole, the hexagon could be the whole, and you would be able to extend to counting fractional parts beyond 1. The next task we will discuss is seating the class. This task is located in the station section of the learning plan, and for this situation, students are asked to create a variety of arrays to represent seating for their classmates. The teacher will need to provide rules such as the quantity of students in the class, whether or not you're going to have rows or tables. So for example, if I had 20 students in my class and I gave my students the rule that they had to create equal rows. Then the students would need to arrange the cubes or tiles in a manner in which there were equal rows, thus modeling a division situation. Encouraging students to find a variety of ways to find the arrays will deepen their understanding of this standard.
A note about the lesson plans. As you look through the lessons, you will find that the manner in which they are listed will move you through the concrete, pictorial, and abstract approaches to multiplicative situations.
Take this moment to relax. Just think, in a few months, you could be at the beach. Please click on the square, triangle, circle link to complete this course. Congratulations!